Hello and welcome to another math session. Today we're going to continue working on our Unit 4 equations and word problems. Our teaching point for today is I can write multiplication and division equations to solve problems using the rectangle model. As we have tried the last few days, we have been practicing with addition and subtraction all together. But this time, we're going to apply the same principles using multiplication and division. Today is Wednesday, March 25, 2020. Our lesson for today is situation and solution equation for multiplication and division. I encourage you to pause the video and write the date, lesson name, teaching point, and then go right away and work with a quick practice. In our quick practice for today, we have a situation where you're given different hints and your duty is to guess this number. So take into account the different hints that you're given and come up with the answer. Today I'm not giving you the answer because if I give you the answer, then you wouldn't be trying. So there's no way here to show your work unless you come up with the right answer. Alright? Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at this academic vocabulary word for today, which is factor pair. A factor pair is a number, or actually a pair, as it says. It's a pair of whole number whose product is that number. If you take a look at the box that we have below, we have 63, and if we multiply 7 and 9, which is a factor pair, we have 63. Right. So let's say that we have, for example, 50 in this case. So what two factor pairs can we try? We could try 1 times 50, which is equal to 50. We could try 2 times 25, which is 50 as well. We could try 5 times 10, which is again another factor pairs. So as you can see, we have different factor pairs even though they get the same number. So this is what we're going to be trying on today. We're going to be working with different factor pairs in order to represent the area of different problems that we're going to see. Alright? So keep in mind that multiplication and division are inverse operations. They don't do each other. So the same way addition and subtraction undo each other, the same way multiplication and division undo each other as well. Alright? So take another look at this model right below, which is the rectangle model, which is a diagram that shows a factor pair and the product. As you can see right there, we have each factor assigned to a side, but also to a length. We're going to take a look at this further on. Alright, so this is the first question that we have if we take a look at this model right here. So which numbers in the rectangle model above, actually below in this case, are the factors? Where are the factors located? So as we can see right here, we have two factors that when we multiply them, we get our product 63. So the factors are 9 and 7. Now, which number is the product? So right inside, we're going to be holding the product. Where is the product located? Right inside the rectangle. So our product is 63. If you remember last time, we have the same situation when we try 8 different equations. We try 4 where multiplication, well actually addition was used, and 4 more where subtraction was tried. But with the same 3 elements, the same 3 terms, the same 3 numbers, we try 8 equations. This time we're going to try the same, but using multiplication and addition. You must keep in mind the commutative property, that it doesn't matter the order in which you try these two factors, at the end you're getting the same result. If you take a look at the first row, we're going to find that 63 is equal to 7 times 9. If we take another look at this case, we still have 7 times 9 equal to 63. But in this case, what I see is that we flipped the position of these two factors. In the first case, we have the product on the left side of the equal sign. However, on the second case, we have our product on the right side. Is this different? No. The position, or actually the visual way that is represented is different, but they still hold the same equation, the same procedures, the same operation. So it's basically a visual thing. Right below we change, on the second row, we change the order of the factors. In addition and multiplication, doesn't matter the order in which we try the addends or the factors, because if we're adding, at the end they're coming up together. And multiplication, we're still getting the same answer. We still got the same area because the sides are still the same. So it would make the same trying 7 times 9 than trying 9 times 7. If you want, give it a try. Alright? So the same way that we take away different items from the total, the same way we can divide any of the two factors that we're given from our product. As we can see right here, if we divide 63, which is our product, by, in this case, our factor number 9, we get our missing or our remaining factor. If we try on the other hand, the other factor, we have 63 again, which is our product, that is being divided by 7, and then as a result we will get the remaining factor. On the other side, what we have is basically the same equation but swapped. Alright? So on this case we had the equation, or actually the division, on the right side. In this one, we have the same operation but on the left side of the equal symbol. For your independent work, you're going to be trying these exercises. You can find this in the folder as a screenshot, right? A picture. So you click on it and then you try. This is number 1 and this is number 2. You can also pause the video and actually copy from here. So on this one, what you're going to try is to come up with an equation relating the pair factor that we have and also the product that we're given. If you want to take another look, you may pause the video, go back and take another look at the slide. Alright, so on the next one, you're given different problems where you're going to use division or multiplication to solve it. You are going to show your work showing the situation equation, showing the solution equation, and then representing this in a visual way, drawing the model, right? So that will do it for today. Remember that you still got some assignments in Mathletics, so after you finish this, give it a try. That will do it for today. I hope that you have fun, and if you have any questions, don't doubt to ask. See you later.